In this video, I'll discuss the top skills essential for landing remote jobs in 2024. These skills are not only sought after, but can also lead you to your dream remote job. Drawing from my experience of hiring hundreds of individuals as a manager and business owner, as well as assisting numerous others in securing remote positions, I can confidently say that mastering any of these skills greatly enhances your job prospects. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money, online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And last, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list are sales skills. Sales is a common career path among millionaires and billionaires, often accessible without a college degree or prior experience. I believe everyone should try their hand at sales at least once in their lifetime. It not only teaches invaluable skills applicable across various aspects of life, but also offers significant earning potential up front. For example, Dynamite Jobs, a platform specializing in remote job opportunities, lists around 11.5% of its jobs in business development and sales. Business conferences frequently highlight the challenge of finding competent sales professionals, indicating a high demand for such skills. Even if you consider yourself an introvert, sales can still be a lucrative path, as effective listening is a crucial aspect of salesmanship. Sales offers diverse opportunities, particularly in industries like technology, insurance, solar energy, medical supplies, and high-ticket products and services. It's undeniably one of the most valuable skills one can acquire. Now, let's discuss content creation, which not only enhances job prospects, but is also, in my opinion, the top opportunity for starting your own business. When I've interacted with business owners in e-commerce or software, I've noticed that many of them are highly intelligent and hardworking. However, those who began with content creation often didn't display the same level of intellect or work ethic. This avenue offers one of the simplest ways to earn money online. While the landscape may change in the future due to increasing competition, it remains one of the easiest methods to make money presently. YouTube, in particular, stands out as the premier platform for content creation due to its earning potential. Content creation not only offers business opportunities but also job prospects. Many content creators earn between $47,000 to $80,000 annually, with creative directors earning even more. The demand for content creators is on the rise, evident in the significant growth in searches for positions like social media content manager. The creator economy is still in its early stages and holds immense potential. Being a successful YouTuber is now a top career choice for Gen Z, surpassing traditional professions like astronauts or sports stars. Content creation is invaluable for both job seekers and aspiring entrepreneurs. Moving on to personal branding, this is closely related to content creation, but deserves separate attention due to its significance. Personal branding involves creating content online as yourself, rather than representing a company. It's incredibly effective because people prefer engaging with individuals who share their values. Elon Musk's personal following exemplifies the power of personal branding. People are more inclined to support individuals over faceless corporations, making personal branding a potent tool for both job seekers and entrepreneurs. Now, let's delve into digital marketing, a topic I've extensively covered on this channel. It encompasses various online marketing strategies, such as social media advertising, search engine optimization, and email marketing. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing allows precise tracking and targeting, making it highly effective. Now, let's delve into cold email marketing, a skill with both job prospects and business potential. Cold emailing involves reaching out to individuals via email and persuading them to respond. Mastering this skill is invaluable for job hunting, as it allows you to directly contact decision makers. Even if you don't pursue it as a career, cold emailing is a lifelong skill that opens doors for networking and opportunities. Email marketing specialists earn an average of $52,000 to $81,000 annually. For instance, Coinbase's first employee in 2013 secured their position through a cold email and was paid in Bitcoin for 3 years. Cold email marketing presents abundant opportunities worth exploring. Next, let's discuss management skills, which entail the ability to effectively oversee others. While it's challenging to define precisely, we've all experienced the stark contrast between good and bad management. Strong communication and interpersonal skills are vital in this domain, and while not everyone possesses innate management abilities, it's a skill that can be developed. Similarly, leadership skills complement management and are crucial for excelling in various fields, from sports to entrepreneurship. Leadership roles like project managers earn around $80,000 to $129,000 annually. These skills require hands-on experience to master, so seizing opportunities to lead or manage is highly recommended. Moving on to copywriting, it involves persuading through the written word and demands a deep understanding of sales, marketing, and psychology. Specializing in a niche, whether based on passion, expertise, or earning potential, is advisable. Remote copywriters earn approximately $59,000 to $93,000 annually, with ample opportunities available. Specialized roles, like script writing for YouTube or SEO copywriting, offer alternative avenues in the field. Copywriting is a versatile skill that opens doors to various opportunities and is worth considering. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Let's explore some tech-related skills, which encompass a wide range of opportunities in the booming technology industry. Coding, data analytics, cybersecurity, and IT are just a few examples. These roles offer lucrative salaries, with web developers earning $70,000 to $120,000 annually, data scientists making $110,000 to $250,000, user experience, user interface developers earning $90,000 to $160,000, and software engineers making $85,000 to $200,000. While formal education or experience isn't always required, proficiency is essential. Online courses, certifications, and portfolio building are effective ways to demonstrate expertise and secure employment in this field. Next, communication skills are invaluable across various domains, emphasizing effective idea conveyance, perspective understanding, emotional empathy, and active listening. While a degree in communications isn't necessary, honing these skills can significantly enhance personal and professional interactions. Communication specialists earn approximately $56,000 to $92,000 annually, highlighting the demand for individuals proficient in this area. Social media management involves overseeing content dissemination for brands or companies on social platforms. Specialists ensure consistent posting schedules, monitor content performance, and adapt strategies based on audience feedback. Social media managers earn $50,000 to $82,000 annually and can specialize in platforms like Instagram. This role doesn't always require formal education or prior experience, but benefits from niche expertise. Research skills are crucial in navigating the vast information landscape of the internet. Being resourceful, discerning between reliable and unreliable sources, and problem-solving effectively are key aspects. Research skills empower individuals to independently tackle challenges by leveraging online resources. Whether in business or personal endeavors, these skills are invaluable for lifelong learning and problem-solving. These skills collectively offer diverse opportunities for personal and professional growth, with the potential for lucrative careers across various industries. By investing in skill development and staying adaptable, individuals can thrive in today's dynamic job market. The following section will focus on AI prompting, a relatively new yet crucial skill in today's rapidly developing technological landscape. As AI continues to advance, proficiency in generating effective prompts becomes increasingly essential. In the programming sphere, there's a fundamental principle known as garbage in, garbage out, GIGO. Essentially, the quality of the input determines the quality of the output. Hence, providing AI with well-crafted prompts yields superior results. This skill is highly valuable, with prompt engineers earning as much as $375,000 per year. Additionally, AI prompt engineers typically earn between $96,000 and $143,000 annually. Fortunately, resources for learning this skill are widely available online, and a formal college degree or prior experience is not required. Demonstrating competence through a portfolio is key to entering this field. Moving on, let's delve into project management skills. While related to management and leadership, project management primarily focuses on organization and ensuring project completion within set timelines. Utilizing project management software, such as Monday.com or Asana, facilitates collaboration and keeps team members aligned. Mastery of project management can lead to lucrative opportunities, such as roles as operations or project managers, with salaries ranging from $80,000 to $129,000 per year. Next, we'll explore the importance of social skills, particularly networking. Networking is invaluable, as effective communication and relationship building are essential for personal and professional success. Early acquisition of these skills is advantageous, as they provide lifelong benefits. Networking has been instrumental in creating numerous job and business opportunities. How to Win Friends and Influence People. A timeless book written in the 1920s offers valuable insights into networking and social interactions. This skill is indispensable for securing employment, advancing in one's career, and fostering business growth. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.